Time to go get a workout in, like a proper workout. I think Kristen is enjoying her off day and is still hanging out in bed. I want to go up and check the mileage on my bike real quick because I forgot to write it down last night. I'm trying to take notes to actually write a book about this trip and some other trips. So I'm gonna go grab that. Also brought the drone out. Let's see if I can fly without getting in trouble. So far, 4,565.5 miles. Cool. So I've got a big surprise planned for Kristen, and it's been a pain in the butt to pull this off, but I got it shipped to the hotel finally. Hope it's worth it. Alright, so real quick, it's not the exact diamond I ordered, but due to some shipping errors, it couldn't get here in time, so they were nice enough to send me a temporary stand-in, which is pretty close to what I ordered. So anyway, when we get back, I'll ship this one back, I'll ship you the right one, it'll all be taken care of, but this one will work in the meantime. I'm gonna head up to the room. Well, that worked out pretty well.
In the sunshine, you should hit me with the splash gun so I cool down. Won't you come on over? We can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. Baby, if you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Oh, you can come over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide.
Alright, I'm headed back up to the slide again. I swear I'll get Kristen in before the end of the day. She's just complaining the water's a little too cold for her. But that thing is a blast. Come on! Just for some perspective of how big these fish are. Wow.
Water slide. Surfing on a wave of good feelings. Well, it's just another Friday. So bring your A-game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This is going
So excellent time at the pool. I think I went down that slide no less than 20 times. And Kristen's ring's fitting just a little bit big, so we're gonna head down to the jewelry store here and see if we can
get it sized.
Yeah. So these old lunch boxes.
asked Johnny to come down and check it out. So here.
$70, $69. I can't fit that in my boot though. Here at Best Buy, I ran out of space on my MacBook and I want everything backed up twice, so I guess it's time to buy another external for this trip. Got the hard drive I needed. 2 terabyte was a better deal, but 1 will get the job done. It saved me like $20. Currently waiting on my Lyft to pick me up. Head back to the hotel, pick Kristen up, and then head out to dinner. So the greatest Lyft driver of all time, I mentioned, you're driving a manual? He goes, well, I'm from Italy. And I said, please tell me you watch MotoGP. He goes, of course. And I said, Forza Valet. And he goes, the doctor. He's a living legend. So needless to say, that guy and I got along great. Headed back up to the room. Kristen and I are going to get some dinner.
Yeah. Thanks, you too. He slightly scared me a little bit.
Yeah, he was a little erratic. Nice guy, though.
He drove like on the wrong lane and was like,
Don't read too much into that t-shirt or cut off if you can read it, but
too soon?
yeah. So I don't really eat sushi, so Kristen's gonna walk me through this.
We're gonna find something for you.
It's all you can eat. Johnny, the toy expert from Pawn Stars, recommended this place to us, so we're taking him up on it. Boom, we've got Travis and a Chevy Malibu. Good thing we got tickets. Alright, so good time over at the Neon Museum, Boneyard, all the old signs from Vegas, really neat. They're getting ready to expand it another 8,000 feet with many more signs, so if you're out here in the next few months, I recommend checking it out.